Masechet Zevachim Perek Yud Daled, Mishna Daled, is the first of 5 Mishnayot that will discuss what we call the Isser Bamot or the Heter Bamot, the times in Jewish history when one was allowed to use a bama, a personal mizbeach, and a time when one was not allowed to use such a bama. So the Mishnah begins, Ad shelo hukam ha-mishkan. Ad shelo means until the Mishkan was put up, meaning until the point where there was a Mishkan. As long as there was no Mishkan, hayu ha-bamot mutarot. So the bamot were mutarot, from the word mutar, permitted. Va'avodah ba-bechorot. And the avodah, the sacrifices, were done by the firstborn. Right, the Kohanim were not yet chosen, and therefore any avodah that was to be done was done by the firstborn. Here you have a picture of what was probably a bama. This is from an excavation in Megiddo, in somewhat northern Israel. You see the mound in the middle, and that was probably a private or a local mizbeach, but certainly not the mizbeach of the Beit HaMikdash. The Mishnah continues, Misha hukam ha-mishkan, when the Mishkan was put up, when Bnei Yisrael were in the Midbar, so ne'esru ha-bamot. Now the bamot were forbidden, because now there was a central place for the Jews to go. Va'avodah ba-kohanim, and now the avodah gets transferred away from the bechorot. The firstborn no longer have it, and the kohanim, meaning the family of Aharon and his children and their descendants, they do the avodah from now on. And then the Mishnah, as the following Mishnayot will all tell us, gives us a small halacha about what it means to have a time of Isur Bamot. So Kadashei Kadashim, holier korbanot, and we will see in future Mishnayot what those are, Ne'echalim lifnim min haklaim. They were eaten within the curtains. And Kadashim Kalim, less holy korbanot, were eaten bechol machane Yisrael, were eaten anywhere in the camp of Bnei Yisrael. And on this artist's drawing of the camp of Bnei Yisrael in the Midbar, we can see both the Klaim as well as Machane Yisrael. This white set of curtains forms kind of a box around the Mishkan. The Mishkan, of course, is right here. So those are the Klaim, the curtains, that form the courtyard. So when we say Kodshei Kodashim can be eaten lifnim min haklaim, it means they can be eaten anywhere in here, anywhere around the Mishkan, not in the Mishkan itself, but in the courtyard around the Mishkan. And Kadashim Kalim, the not as holy korbanot, which is referring to korbanot shlamim, can be eaten b'chol machane Yisrael, right? Anywhere out here, and it extends obviously in the near ground as well, outside of the picture, anywhere where the Jews lived, you could take a piece of your Kadshei Kalim, your korbanot shlamim, and eat the korban there.